Hey guys, I'm Brian Boss with Wallex Products Company Incorporated, and today I'm really excited to announce our new product launch, the Wallex Porta-Patch. The Wallex Porta-Patch is your quick, inexpensive, permanent fix or repair for small holes and tears to help extend the life of your equipment, such as your portables, roofs, urinals, sinks, holding tanks, and can be used on a variety of hard surfaces such as metal, plastic, fiberglass. Really, the opportunities are endless. Let me tell you a little bit about how the Wallex Porta-Patch product is used. It comes in 3 different sizes, 3x6, 6x9, and a 9x12 sheet. When it's taken from the packaging, you can actually cut it to its desired customizable size for your application or repair. It has a white side that's the adhesive side that you're just gonna peel and stick down using all 4 fingers and thumbs to get all the corners for a nice airtight, watertight seal. The application we have here that we did a few months back is a 1.5-inch diameter hole in a 5-gallon pail, and you can see it's tough as nails. We can use it on PVC piping. You can use it on metal. The product cures in natural sunlight in 5 to 10 minutes, and it can also be done indoors with our UV flashlight. After the product's adhered to on your surface, it can be drilled, sanded, or painted. Remember, the next time you've got a general all-purpose repair, don't trash it, Porta-Patch it.